everyone, welcome to day 4 of our Mexico travel. So today we are going to see the flamingos
as well as pink lagoons.
No have lagoons rosadas en Rio Lagartos now. Maybe, posiblemente dentro de 3 meses ya se hace el proceso completo y va a haber agua rosada. Les esperamos.
Gracias. So as you already understood that the pink lagoon, it's not pink now. So we are going for bird watching, flamingos and the other kinds. We go?
Okay, ready?
Hola. Buenos días.
Pelican is the white pelican, from Canada.
Oh, from Canada. Okay.
Yeah, and this is place is the mixed water. Yes, the fresh water is the coming here in the Senate. Yes, yeah, and in the salt water, yes, the Gulf and the Gulf of Mexico is the mixed water, and this is place. Yes, the North River. It's different.
Oh,
Yeah.
So is this like an estuary,
Yeah.
right?
Is it?
So right now I am in this shallow water in the lagoon. I'm going towards those birds. Is it that? No, right?
Is that?
It's that.
Is the prehistoric animal is the prehistoric.
तो हम लोग यहाँ पर वो जो लगून में मथुरा उतरे थे, यहाँ हमारा पेलिकन जो कनाडा से आया हुआ पेलिकन को हम लोग ने मेक्सिको में देखा। अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं फ्लेमिंगो देखने, पिंक फ्लेमिंगोस। सो देयर वर एक्चुअली 2 फ्लेमिंगोस हियर। हम लोग ज़्यादा एक साथ देखने जा रहे हैं।
Hola!
Colors water.
Yes,
Yeah.
color changing.
It's
Yeah.
the only salt water and the mixed water and the river. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Is that difference? colors, and the flamingo is the baby flamingo. Is color white. Yes.
Oh, okay, they eat the shrimp.
Yes. It's the similar in the shrimp. No showing. It's the similar. Yes. And that is the American osprey.
Oh, this is American.
Yes.
Thank you everyone for watching this video till this end, and if you have liked this video, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, because there are so many videos coming from our Mexico trip. And also do share with your friends and family.
Thanks. Adios.
Until then,
Follow the
the
imprints.
Great blue heron.
Oh, this is the heron. Because our room name is Heron in the hotel.
This place is the shark.
Oh, shark and crocodile.
Yeah. This is the roots. Right. This one mangrove.
So this is
So
red.
these are the roots.
Yes.
Okay.
It's the only life in the mangrove is the mixed water.
Right.
So it's not only fresh water, not only salt water.
Right.
Mixed water.
Mixed water. Yes. Possible the different sun. It's good. These are up, down. It's good mangrove.
Huh?